It used to be that beauty products were just what you put on your skin, but now we know beauty is much more holistic, meaning it's also the nutrients you get from your diet and from supplements that help support your skin health from within. So today I would like to show you 3 beauty boosting beverages that highlight beauty nutrients. All right, so you're ready? Let's become beauty baristas together. First up, we have Spicy Beauty Lemonade, and this features the Aquatic Beauty Collagen Powder, which is a combination of 4 powerful ingredients: collagen, astaxanthin, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. To prepare the beverage, start with 12 to 16 ounces of cold water, add a half of a tablespoon of Aquatic Beauty Collagen Powder, the juice of 1 lemon, a few drops of lemon twist better stevia, and a shake of cayenne for a little heat. Stir together and voila! Next up, let's make the Hyaluronic Hydrator, and it features liquid hyaluronic acid, which is just a compound naturally found in your skin to help maintain moisture for that healthy glow. Now, hyaluronic acid is an awesome example of holistic beauty because in addition to the supplement, now also has hyaluronic serum and mist and moisturizer that you can put on your skin. To prepare the beverage, stir together 12 to 16 ounces of coconut water and 1 tablespoon of the hyaluronic acid liquid. That's it. It's so refreshing. Finally, let's make the antioxidant iced tea. We're going to use organic matcha, which has EGCG polyphenols, which may help maintain skin moisture, as well as provide protection against free radicals. And then we're using the Effer-C. These are single-serve packets of effervescent vitamin C. There's 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C in each packet. Vitamin C may help with the production of collagen, as well as neutralize free radicals in the skin associated with aging. To prepare, mix together 8 ounces of almost boiling water and a half teaspoon of matcha into a cup and whisk. Stir in a packet of Effer-C, and then pour that into a glass with lots of ice.